Hello, I'm Elena Bercher. I'm an English teacher since 2009. I'm currently teaching at the lípolis primary school in La Pineda in Tarragona, and I'm here to present to you a workshop called Get, Set, Animaction. Get, Set, Animaction is a workshop based on a project that we have at the school called Film in English. And Film in English is a cross-curricular project where we link arts and crafts and literacy for our students to learn English in a meaningful and communicative way. And it will be done through a breakout where we'll have to make 3 different challenges, 3 different short animated projects until we get to open the box. So I hope to see you there. It will be fun. Get, set, animation!